So in total, Elena spends 120 minutes at the sports centre. She then plays badminton for 50 minutes. She then swims for 1/6 of the 20 minutes. So we need to find out what 1/6 of 120 is. And the way that we do this is we do 120 divided by the denominator, which is 6. So 120 divided by 6, and 12 divided by 6 is 2. So 120 divided by 6 is then 20. This is just 1/6, so you don't need to multiply by anything. If that was to be a different number as the numerator, so a number that wasn't 1, you would then multiply that by the numerator. But in this case, we're just looking for 1/6, which is then 20 minutes. Then she uses the gym for 20% of the 120 minutes. So let's find 10%. So in order to find 10%, we divide 120 by 10, which then gives us 12. 20% is then going to be double that. So we're going to multiply 12 by 2. And when we multiply 12 by 2, we then get 24. So she spent 50 minutes playing badminton, 20 minutes in the swimming pool, and then 24 minutes in the gym. She spends the rest of the 120 minutes in the cafe. So we need to add those three up. So 50 minutes playing badminton, 20 minutes in the swimming pool, and 24 minutes in the gym. And when you add those all together, you then get 94. In order to find out how long she spends in the cafe, we then do 120 minus 94. So 0 minus 4 we need to borrow, so that becomes 10. 10 minus 4 then becomes 6. Again, we need to borrow for this, so 11 minus 9 then gives us 26. So she then spends 26 minutes in the cafe. Elena got to the sports centre at 1:30. She had asked her friend to meet her at the cafe at 3 p.m. Did Elena get to the cafe by 3 p.m? Give a reason for your answer. So we know that she spent 94 minutes doing the gym, the swimming, and then playing badminton. So 1:30, and I'm going to do a timeline in this case. So 1:30 is then here. And then she leaves at 3:30, and then I'm going to put a few of the other times on, which is then 2 o'clock, and then 3 o'clock. We need to add 94 minutes on, and when we add 30 minutes, we then get to that next hour. So from 1:30 to 2, that's 30 minutes. Add another 60 minutes, which then gets us to 3 o'clock, and in total now, this is plus 90. We then need to add 94, so we need to add 4 more minutes on, which is going to leave us at 3:04. So that's what time she gets to the cafe. We're asked, did Elena get to the cafe by 3 p.m? She got there at 3:04, so your answer would be no, she got there at 3:04. You could also have answered this question by working backwards. We know that she was in the cafe for 26 minutes, and when you do 3:30 minus 26 minutes, that gets you to 3:04. So that tells you that she gets to the cafe after 3 o'clock, so your answer would still be